Hi seahorses! Today is Monday and we're going to try our new way of morning meeting. So with that, I'm going to put down the phone so you can see our message board. You see it? Oh, there's lots of letters on there. There's some shapes. I wonder what we're going to be talking about today. Let me get this so you can see the whole thing. All right. So first thing, we're going to start all the way over here. Good morning, silly seahorses. And silly and seahorses both start with S. If you remember, we have our word wall. We would have S, snake, S. You try it. S, snake, S. All right. Our next sentence, the second one, says, today is Monday. And that's our day of the week. Now, it's a new month. The month is now May. So after April comes May, and after May will come June. Today, we will review shapes. And look at that, another word that starts with what? S. Just like our letter today, S, snake, S. Good job. So our first shape here, it's round. It doesn't really have a beginning or an end. It just goes around and around. And that is called a circle. Kiss your brain if you guessed it right. Our second shape begins up with that letter S. Square. And a square is like a box shape, right? And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Our third shape is the triangle. And the triangle has 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. Our fourth shape is rectangle. And a rectangle kind of looks like a square, right? It also has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But the difference between a square and a rectangle is that the square is a little bit shorter and the rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And that's what makes them different. So our 1, 2, 3, 4. Our fifth shape is the rhombus. And a rhombus has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Also, sometimes you could call a rhombus, some people call it a diamond, right? Like if you sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are, like a rhombus in the sky. All right, our sixth shape is way down here. Can you see that? It's like a little cut off there. There we go. And it looks similar to that one, doesn't it? Similar means the same. But this is an oval. An oval. And just like its cousin, the circle up here, it has no beginning and no end. It just goes around and around and around. But it's more of like an egg shape than a circle shape, right? Because eggs aren't perfectly round. They're more of an oval shape. Our next one is called a trapezoid. And a trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Kind of like the square, and the rectangle has 4 sides. Even the rhombus does too. But they don't, I guess if you cut off the sides, you could get a rectangle out of that. And maybe if you cut off down the sides here, what shape would that make there? Does it relate to that one maybe? And our last shape is the octagon. And the octagon, I wrote a little word in there. It says S-T-O-P, stop. Have you seen a sign like that when you're out in a car somewhere? And the octagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. It's an octagon because octo means 8. So now you can take those shapes and see what shapes like that you can find in your house. And see how many you can find and what they are and what they make. All right. Miss you. Bye.